Throw lime peels into the toilet and you'll be amazed by the result. Now I only do it this way, and I'm sure you want to try it too. This hack is just amazing, and it's gonna make a huge difference in your house. For this, we're gonna need a blender. Now let's add some lime peels. Here I have the peels from about 5 limes, so let's go ahead and put it all here. Once that's done, now add 2 cups of water at room temperature. And finally, we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of table salt. Pretty simple, right? Next, cover the blender and blend it until all the lime peels are completely crushed. And if you didn't know, lime is an excellent natural cleaner due to its citric acid power. This incredible component has disinfectant properties. After crushing the lime peels, let's go ahead and strain this liquid with the help of a sieve. We're doing this because we're only gonna need the liquid. We won't need the leftover peels anymore. And folks, I always highly recommend using lime peels for house cleaning, because besides being very useful, they also help neutralize bad odors, always leaving the house with a fresh and natural aroma. Now you can transfer the liquid to a container for easy application when you're cleaning. Here I'm gonna use the soda bottle, but of course you can use any other container if you prefer, okay? Then close the container and don't forget to make a hole in the lid. Now I'm gonna show you how to use it. Here, as you can see, my toilet has this yellow stain. I've already tried everything and it doesn't come off even with those expensive products sold in the supermarkets. So now I'm gonna teach you how to remove these stains. First, go ahead and sprinkle some baking soda over all the stains you want to remove. Baking soda is an excellent cleaner. It fights dirt and eliminates all bacteria. Now just pour our product over the entire toilet. And this combination of lime with baking soda helps to create a powerful chemical reaction in order to clean the porcelain and remove any stains. Now, using a brush, scrub the whole toilet. And guys, I gotta tell you, this is wonderful. Pretty easy and quick because it removes all dirt and stains without needing much effort. Now to finish, just give it a flush. And your toilet will be super clean and odor free. And the best part is, this is gonna leave a wonderful lime aroma. So that was today's tip. I hope you enjoy it. Try making this at home. I'm sure you're gonna love the results.